Hello, I'm Mihela. Today we'll be talking about a bird that is also known as snake bird. The Oriental darter. Unfortunately, it is listed as near threatened. The Oriental darter is a water bird. It has a long and slender neck with a straight pointed bill, and like the cormorant, it hunts for fish while its body is submerged in water. It is a water bird of tropical South Asia and Southeast Asia. Breeding adults have a shiny black body with silvery-white streaks along the wings, a brownish crown and neck, and a white stripe running from the eye to the side of the neck. Non-breeding and immature plumage is duller and browner. Frequently seen swimming with only its neck and head visible above the water. Impales fish underwater with its dagger-like bill. Like cormorants, often perches upright on a rock, drying itself with outstretched wings. Seen singly or in small groups in inland or coastal water bodies. Frequently soars, usually silent. Their calls are like locally named Peradigu Abhikawa. I have seen the Oriental darter in many places. But one of the most special places I have seen this bird is at Hembegamuwa lake, where I have seen more than 10 of them. This video shows the amazing moment when an elephant crossed the lake during our safari.